Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on installing Rocky Linux 9.5 on VirtualBox. This step-by-step guide is designed for beginners and those looking to explore Rocky Linux in a safe and virtualized environment. We will cover everything in this topic from setting up VirtualBox to post-installation and configuration. Before we start, I would like to share a brief overview of Rocky Linux and VirtualBox. Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise grade Linux distribution designed to be a downstream alternative to Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It offers a stable and secure environment for server and workstations. And VirtualBox is a free and open source hypervisor for running virtual machines on various operating systems developed by Oracle. VirtualBox allows users to run multiple operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS on a single physical machine. It is commonly used for testing, development, and running a legacy software. VirtualBox supports a wide range of guest operating system and provide features such as snapshot, seamless mode, and virtual machines cloning. It is widely used by both individuals and enterprise due to its flexibility and easy of use. Let's go through all the pre-installation steps. Download and install the latest version from the official VirtualBox website. Next, you will be needing a Rocky Linux 9.5 ISO file from you can download it from rockylinux.org from official website, and make sure you have at least a 4 GB of RAM, 20 GB of free disk space, and a dual core CPU for creating a virtual machine. And check the virtualization is enabled in your system BIOS settings. So the next is to create a new virtual machine, allocate the resource and attach Rocky Linux ISO file. We'll do practical now. Open VirtualBox. I have already installed VirtualBox on my desktop. This is a VirtualBox. Click on New to create a new virtual machine and provide a name. I'm giving Rocky Linux 9.5. Select the ISO image. From here you can select from drop down, or you can click on others. Check where you are downloaded and click on the ISO file and open it. Next, create a username and password to log in on the Rocky Linux VM. I will simply create Rocky Linux as a user and password, and you need to provide a host name. There should not be any space, or you can remove the space. Minimum 2 GB memory required and 2 core of processor. CPU core I will choose 2. uh, I have 8 cores, I can give 4, and base memory I will give 4 GB, but minimum required 2 GB. Now create a hard disk. You need to create a new hard disk. Select VDI virtual box disk image and provide the disk space. I have given a default one, 20 GB. Click on finish. Virtual machine is created now. Here I'm getting some errors. Let's check the logs. Mhm. Will mount ISO file here. Click on live CD or DVD. Click on OK. Power on. It will take few seconds to power on. Okay, so we'll start the installation. Select install Rocky Linux and press enter. I will pause the video, it will take some time. Once you select install Rocky Linux 9.5 and press enter, you will get the next window. You will get this. You need to choose language. I will select English and then click on continue. Select the disk for installation. For beginners, the default automatic partition is fine. I will click this automatic. Click on done. For user settings, set a strong root password and create a new user. Remember to check box to give a user administration privilege. I will create a root password first. Now let's create rock user 1. Make this user administrator not required. Required a password to use this account. Click on done. Once all settings are configured, click begin installation. Installation might take few minutes. The rest of the setting, I think no need to change. We have already selected the language, keyboard, and the time is also properly set. Let's click on begin installation. This will take few minutes. I will pause the video. Once it is done, we'll resume it. Installation is completed. You can see on my screen. Let's reboot the system. Let's log in now to the user 1. Once we log in, we can check the operating system. You can skip as of now. Open the terminal. You can check which operating system it is. Rocky Linux 9.5 is successfully installed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Rocky Linux 9.5 version on VirtualBox. Let's do some post installation steps. We have login to the user. We have cross verified the Rocky Linux version. We can update the operating system using yum or dnf. In Rocky Linux 9, we use dnf update command to update the system. As of now, I'm not updating anything. Let's check kernel. Now I will discuss few troubleshooting steps which I have done in this session. Go to the VM settings. I have changed USB pointing device to USB table, and then next is the network adapter is NAT. Let's see, we have our internet access to the machine. Ping to gmail.com. You should get response. Yes, we have the internet access on this device. We can install any packages. If you're not getting internet access on your virtual machine, change network attachment from NAT to bridge. And that's it. You have successfully installed Rocket Linux on VirtualBox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed, please like and share this video with others who might find it useful. Let me know in the comments if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy learning.